Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to publish ads on Meta. Firstly, create an account with Facebook Ads Manager by linking your Facebook business page and setting up your payment method. This will be your control center to manage ads efficiently. Once inside Ads Manager, click the green Create button to start your campaign. Choose your buying type: auction for more flexibility and budget control, or reservation for predictable reach and frequency. Select your campaign objective. Pick from awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, sales, or app promotion based on your marketing goal. Your choice helps Facebook optimize your ads effectively. Name your campaign with a clear, descriptive title that helps you easily identify it later, like XYZ Brand Traffic Summer Sale. If applicable, choose a special ad category such as credit, employment, housing, or social issues to comply with Facebook's advertising policies. Enable A/B split testing to compare different versions of your ads by varying images, text, or placements. Maximizing your budget's impact. Set performance goals for your campaign by selecting the desired actions, such as clicks, leads, or purchases, and define where you want these conversions to happen, whether on your website, app, or messenger. Choose your budget and schedule by setting either a daily or lifetime budget. Daily budgets run continuously and adjust spend daily, while lifetime budgets spread spend evenly over a set period. Define your audience with precision. Note: use demographics, interests, behaviors, and geographic locations to target the right people. Utilize custom audiences for retargeting website visitors or email lists. Finally, create your ad by uploading creative assets, writing compelling copy, and choosing placements across Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and Audience Network. And that's how you run your Facebook ads from start to finish. The right objective, precise targeting, and ongoing testing are the keys to success. If you want more guides like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.